Hi all, so this example here we are looking through parallel lines again, and as you can see here, these little arrows, they say that these lines are parallel. Okay, so we're looking at relationships within parallel lines and finding unknowns in these, okay, when it's cut by a transversal line. So we'll just get straight into this, and first we've got we're trying to find A or B. You could find either or, but we'll go with A just to keep everything in order. So we just need to see how this relates to this angle that we do know. Okay, this 105 degrees that we do know. How does it relate to that? So here, A, these are co-interior angles. So that just means side by side interior, they're inside the parallel or inside the same section there. So co-interior angles, and these have to add to 180. So these are supplementary. So that means A degrees is going to be 180 minus 105. And this here is equal to 75 degrees. So next, we're going to look at B. So we need to look at what the relationship is between B and this 105 that we do have. So we call these ones vertically opposite. So these ones are vertically opposite. So you can just see, okay, they're just opposite each other here. Okay, so these ones are vertically opposite. So these have to be the same in parallel lines. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are the same in parallel lines, and you can sort of see that from the diagram. They look pretty much the same as well. So this here, oh, I wrote A again, that was very silly. So B is equal to then 105 degrees. Okay, so that's our first question done, and I'll just do a line just to keep it all separated because they use the same pronumerals here. So with this second example, we're looking at this angle here, 142, and how everything relates to this. Okay, so firstly, we'll go with A again. Alright, so A is on the same straight line as this 142 degrees. So that means that they're going to be supplementary. So these are going to be supplementary angles. So this means that they add to 180. So to find A, we need to do A is equal to 180 minus 142. So this here will then equal to 38 degrees. Okay? So that's how we can work that out. Just because it's on that straight line there, so a straight line, that's 180 degrees, so 180 minus 142. I'm going to write that 38 again because that was actually a very bad 38. Even worse than my other writing on this iPad. There we go. So 38 degrees. So we'll go into B, and we need to see how this relates to the 142. Okay. So this here is, you'll notice that these are on the same spot on different parallel lines. So the same spot, this is where the word corresponding comes in, because it's the same spot but it's just on a different line. Okay, so this is a corresponding angle. And on parallel lines, hopefully you recall this, corresponding angles are the same. So B is just equal to 142 degrees. So just going over this again, just make sure you do have a look at the relationships between your angles and in parallel lines, okay? Making sure you are comfortable with using these and just spotting your co-interior angles, your vertically opposite ones, corresponding angles, all these different types, okay? So it's just about building confidence with this to ensure that you're not making any little mistakes, all right? So good luck with this, and hopefully this all works well for you.